Nandito kami ngayon sa Bulacan, sa Angat, Bulacan, at nag-ready kami para sa isang shoot na gagawin namin na series para sa Germany. It's a martial arts series. Pero bago ang lahat, kami muna ay mamimili ng aming almusal. Tara, samahan niyo kami. Eto, at nandito kami ngayon sa pamilihan sa Angat, Bulacan, palengke. At ngayon is a beautiful Sunday. At kami ay naghahanap din ng aming kakainan o almusalan. Pero dadaan ka muna rito sa palengke sa Angat, Bulacan, sa isang bayan na ito na kung saan ay maraming paninda, marami kang makikita, maraming namimili. You know, every Sunday ganito sila dito sa lugar na ito sa Angat, Bulacan. Ito, at nakakita kami ng kakainan namin. Siyempre, saan pa ba available na makikita mo sa lugar na to sa Angat, Bulacan ay itong Bida Ang Sarap.
Like you're gonna hit with this.
Hindi mo makuha yung confident.
Okay.
At ngayon nga, ito na kami at gagawa kami ng fight routine para sa series na gagawin namin sa isang German TV station.
Like you're gonna like that. You're gonna be and then the head's gonna hit here. Boom.
Oy, ingat kayo ingat
And then you're like okay, and then throw you down. You're out. Yeah.
Then
boom. Oh. Boom.
Alright.
And then I'm about to hit him again, but he's like, you're out too. And throw you down to the ground. You finish.
Love it.
And then I get out of this, like, and then you're out.
Out. Dito ay masusing pinag-aaralan ang dalawang foreigner na mga kaibigan natin na sina Bobby Bridges at si Andy Kuhn ang fight choreography na gagawin namin dito sa martial arts series para sa Germany TV station. Ayan po. At tingnan natin mabuti ang tinuturo nito ni Sipu o Master Bobby Bridges.
Timing kayo.
Boom!
Tinamaan ko siya.
No. He hit you accidentally?
Clear.
Boom!
Bang, and
No! And so you go down, yeah. And you're both out. And I'm
okay, usual.
that's the last.
like that, yeah.
Matatapos pagbabalik ako.
Yan po mga kaibigan. At nagkakaroon ng nagpa-practice po sila dito ng fight scene with the foreigners, German and American.
Strike before you block. You block. block here, and then he comes.
Yeah, I'll throw him at you,
Babalik
yeah.
ako.
Because only that.
Hindi, babalik ako eh.
I know, but my throw into him, yeah. And then your next fight is with him.
Two,
Elbow.
two.
And then,
Kick me. Kick. After elbow, kick.
Okay.
Oh, that's the next one already.
yeah,
From here, kick.
Elbow.
careful.
Elbow and kick, Andy.
Two.
Elbow.
Yesterday we did another thing.
Kick.
Mhm.
Jerk. Kick. Jerk. Fat.
That was not 1, 2, 3 yesterday.
1,
2, 3.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Tapos kick. Tapos kick.
Kick. Nice. And then there's Tony.
What is it?
Because while they're fighting, we will have ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Hit. 1, 2.
And then he.
Tingnan natin ang unang practice or rehearsal ng squats.
Boss wants to speak with you for hurting his son. You come with us.
Boss, well, Bernard, looks like we have to finish our workout on these guys. What do you think?
Okay, let's have fun.
Well, if your boss wants to see us, he has to bring his ass here.
That's not how it.
Okay na sa inyo.
Rolling.
Action!
Mag-wait mo tayo. Kami dito.
Hey, go!
Pasok.
Well, looks like we'll have to finish our workout on these guys. What do you think?
Okay, let's have fun.
Our boss wants to speak with you for hurting his son. You come with us.
Boss may freely come here at any time, but that's the thing, he has to bring his ass here.
Ah, that's not how it works. All right.
He was only first.
Okay na?
Rolling.
Okay, ready? 7 seconds. Action! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pasok!
Bernard! Well, looks like we'll have to finish our workout on these guys. What do you think?
Okay, let's have fun.
I come here to speak to you for hurting my boss son.
Boston's son.
The boss son.
Really speak with us at any time, but he has to come here to do something.
That's not how it works. Or else.
Guys, ito kami, yung mga kasama natin sa movie industry. Ayan, ayan sila, Kita nyo, ayan, mamaya lalaban niya ng fight scene. Andito kami sa Ilocos Norte. Ilocos Norte. Hanggat Bulacan lang,